In the realm of outdoor exploration, having the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we present the top 5 foldable camping knives designed to meet the demands of adventure. These foldable camping knives combine portability, functionality, and durability, ensuring you're well equipped for every outdoor escapade. Choose your trusted companion and elevate your camping experience. Number 5. The PARASCALE EDC folding pocket knife epitomizes durability and functionality in heavy-duty everyday carry. Its deadbolt lock guarantees a secure and steadfast locking mechanism, instilling confidence in users during demanding cutting applications. The drop-point satin blade, known for its robustness and adaptability, features a satin finish not just for aesthetic appeal, but also for heightened resistance against corrosion. The handle, meticulously designed with a cord-wrapped texture, offers a tactile and secure grip, ensuring stability even in challenging conditions. This thoughtful design element enhances the knife's usability and comfort during prolonged use. With a keen emphasis on practicality, the PARASCALE is tailored for everyday carry, making it an indispensable tool for a myriad of tasks. The inclusion of a thumb stud facilitates effortless, one-handed opening, allowing quick access to the blade when needed. Identified by the model number 6235, this knife embodies a meticulous balance of form and function, making it a reliable and versatile companion for those seeking a heavy-duty everyday carry knife that doesn't compromise on performance. Number 4. The M1610 KSF EDC folding pocket knife represents the pinnacle of precision engineering, purposefully crafted for the exacting needs of Special Forces operatives while maintaining practicality for everyday carry. Its distinguished features include a meticulously designed black serrated edge tanto blade, delivering unparalleled cutting prowess across a spectrum of materials. Engineered with a frame lock mechanism, this knife ensures a steadfast and secure experience during use, providing the reliability required in high-pressure situations. The stainless steel handle not only enhances durability, but also strikes a delicate equilibrium between sturdiness and weight, delivering a confident and controlled grip for precision tasks. Safety is paramount in the M1610 KSF, with its dual hilt design preventing unintended slips during use. This attention to detail extends to the reversible pocket clip, allowing users to tailor their carry preferences for seamless integration into their daily routine. The knife's tactical design, beyond meeting the rigorous demands of Special Forces, reflects a sophisticated fusion of functionality and aesthetics. Whether deployed in high-stakes scenarios or utilized in everyday tasks, the M1610 KSF stands as a testament to uncompromising craftsmanship and adaptability, ensuring it remains an indispensable tool in various situations. Number 3. The M21 stainless steel everyday carry series comes from a long line of military-grade tools. Now you can conquer civilian tasks with this proven knife design platform made simple, tough, and affordable. If you are a fan of the Kit Carson-designed M16 tactical folding knives, you're going to want to check out this deep-bellied everyday carry knife variation. Famous custom knife maker Kit Carson of Vine Grove, Kentucky designed and shaped these handles in the same confident grip M21 knife style, but these are crafted out of a tough stainless steel. The handles are finished in a classic black oxide, corrosion-resistant finish. The M2110 KSF is designed for hard use as an everyday carry knife. The knives in this series feature a traditional frame lock for safety and a powerful deep-bellied spear point blade. This series also features the dual Carson flippers for quick and convenient blade deployment, and the flippers double as an effective blade guard in the open position, a true dual hilt, a rarity in folding knives. The M21 Everyday Carry Series is a straight-up, no-frills EDC folder with a tactically inspired design that is almost more than you need. Almost. Number 2. It's a knife that harkens back to another era, but with a hammered two-tone handle and the IKBS ball-bearing pivot system, this one will never get old, especially when it comes to cutting tasks. The fossil combines the best from designer Flavio Icoma of Presidente Prudente, Brazil, with styling cues found on his previous Sampa and Carajas models. It ramps up the artistic flair to create a piece that is clearly Icoma, yet distinctively a new breed of EDC folder. The knife has a unique, prehistoric look, but it goes through jobs like a T-Rex on stainless steel steroids, courtesy of a 3.410 hollow drop-point blade. A one-of-a-kind looking pocket knife, it features the IKBS ball-bearing pivot system, combined with an opening flipper for blade deployment that is smooth and fast. A thumb hole cutout in the blade gives you a second option for opening the knife. The flipper also turns into a handsome finger guard when the blade is open. In the features department, it's survival of the fittest. While the fossil is hardcore on the inside, it's gorgeous on the outside. The handles are made of stainless steel with a unique hammered finish. Contoured multicolored G10 handle overlays make it look like a gator, but the blade won't come down and bite you in the open position thanks to a frame lock. Reach for the next evolution in well-crafted everyday carry knives, the fossil. Before getting to the first place, if you've been enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit like, hit subscribe, and join us on this incredible journey together. Number 1. Introducing the CRKT Homefront Pocket Knife, a cutting-edge knife designed by Ken Onion in Kaneohe, Hawaii. With its innovative field strip design, maintenance is a breeze. No tools are required. The high-carbon stainless steel blade ensures easy sharpening and long-lasting performance. The lightweight aluminum handle provides strength without added bulk, making it perfect for everyday carry around your home or office. Experience versatility and style in one sleek package. It's an easy maintenance knife with a field strip design that allows users to take apart the knife for cleaning without the need for additional tools, making maintenance convenient and straightforward. The high-carbon stainless steel blade is known for its ability to take and maintain a sharp edge easily. This ensures that the knife remains effective and ready for use with minimal effort when it comes to sharpening. The use of an aluminum handle strikes a balance between strength and minimal weight. This makes the knife easy to carry for everyday use without compromising on durability. The knife is designed to be versatile, making it suitable for a range of everyday tasks. Whether at home or in the office, it seems to be crafted for general utility and convenience. In summary, this knife appears to be a well-designed, versatile tool with a focus on user-friendly features, making it suitable for everyday carry and various tasks.